Crispy without the calories, don't sacrifice great taste for healthy cooking. Serve all the delicious fried foods your family loves using 98% less oil. Air fry vegetables, pizza, frozen foods, and even leftovers to a perfect crisp in minutes. Perfect timing. Get rid of the guesswork with 4 one-touch preset cooking functions for popular dishes like French fries, chicken, fish, and meat and start frying in seconds. Evenly crisp. A built-in LED shake reminder with an alarm lets you know when it's time to give your food a shake to ensure evenly crisped food every time. Versatile temps. With a cooking temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can create the perfect dish no matter what's on the menu. Lower temps cook food with less crunch, higher temps for more. Easy to clean. The removable air fryer basket and the cooking tray is dishwasher safe, and the exterior easily wipes down with a cloth. Automatic shut-off. Heating pauses when the basket is opened and restarts where it left off when replaced. Once the timer goes off and cooking is complete, the unit will automatically shut off. Quick cooking. This 5-quart large air fryer is perfect for feeding the whole family or about 3 to 4 people and is designed to get dinner on the table in minutes. Countertop chic. The streamlined design of this 5-quart air fryer has an impressive capacity without taking up too much valuable space on your kitchen countertop. Resources. Settle approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman. 120 volts/1500 watts.